Okay, this is Colorado trail riding style. Ran into these four-wheelers. This girl here is stuck. This guy here, Good Samaritan here, is pulling her out. Gotta love it. Another adventure with Ron Wilderness. They're getting her. You gotta love it. And there she goes.
Hold on.
I'm screaming right there. Beautiful. They got her out.